What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Lily, how old are you?
7.
Okay,
Oh,
very good, Lily. Now, look at Lily, Tom, Billy, and Tim. How does Lily feel? She is?
she is happy.
Wow, how does Tom feel?
She is sad.
He is sad. Is Billy hungry? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, is Tim great? Yes or no?
No.
Very good. How do you feel right now? How are you? You're happy. Very good. Now, there are many shapes. And where is the circle? Circle, my dear. And how many circles do you see? How many circles? One or two?
2 circles.
Okay, so now what shape is it?
It's a square.
Find me a yellow square. Yellow square. Okay, good job. So what is this?
This is a triangle.
Are there three triangles? Yes or no?
No.
No. All right. So now let's proceed for this one. Is it a purple rectangle? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, it is. All right. So what letter is it? Letter N sounds none. Okay. Kindly point out where is your nose. Your nose.
No.
Okay, good job. Now, find me one word only that starts with letter O. O, octopus. All right. And what is this?
That.
So the orange it starts with letter C or letter O.
Oh.
Okay, so that's all for today, Lily. Goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye, teacher.